Cocoa processing unit. What if I told you a bean most people overlook could earn you 10 to 15 lakh rupees a month? No, it's not a tech startup. It's cocoa, and it could change your life. Imagine selling a product loved by billions, chocolate, and making 50% profit margins. Stick around till the end. Our team will tell you a secret most cocoa startups don't know about: government funding. We will provide a step-by-step guide on cocoa processing and why you should start one. What is cocoa processing? Cocoa processing transforms raw cocoa beans into products like cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, and cocoa powder. It involves several stages: drying, roasting, grinding, and pressing. These are then sold to chocolate makers, cosmetic industries, or exported. According to recent studies, the cocoa processing market, encompassing products like cocoa, butter, powder, and liquor, was valued at $15.5 billion in 2024 and is expected to grow to $16.5 billion by 2033, driven by rising demand in the chocolate and confectionery sectors. Key products from cocoa processing. Cocoa couverture. Cocoa couverture is a premium chocolate with at least 31% cocoa butter, giving it a smooth texture and glossy finish. Ideal for tempering, molding, and coating, it's widely used by professional chocolatiers for its superior quality and performance. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is the natural fat extracted from cocoa beans during processing. It has a smooth texture, mild chocolate aroma, and is solid at room temperature but melts easily. It's widely used in chocolate making, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals for its moisturizing and stabilizing properties. Cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is the dry, powdered form of cocoa solids left after cocoa. Butter is extracted from roasted cocoa beans. It has a rich chocolate flavor and is commonly used in baking, beverages, and desserts. How to start a cocoa processing unit. Step 1. Market research. It is very important to look for the local cocoa availability and what its possible demand will be. One should also research the local cocoa markets, potential buyers, chocolate makers, and exporters. Step 2. Registration and licensing. You'll have to comply with the government before starting a cocoa processing unit. One must get an FSSAI license, MSME registration, and GST certificate before starting the cocoa processing unit. Step 3. Location and setup. If you are the one setting up your plant in India, then the best cities to start a cocoa processing unit are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka because it will be easier to access the raw material. Step 4. Buy machinery. To start a cocoa processing unit, one must get machinery like roaster, grazer, packaging, machine, pulverizer, and pulverizer. Step 5. Start production and marketing. Build partnerships with local and global buyers. Consider value-added products like handcrafted chocolate. Global demand for cocoa processing units in the market. The global cocoa market is expected to grow from $26.7 billion in 2024 to over $42 billion by 2034, driven by rising demand for chocolate, especially in Asia Pacific, Africa, and Latin America, and increasing health interest in dark chocolate for its antioxidant benefits. Why you should start the cocoa processing unit. High profit potential. Value-added products like cocoa butter and powder yield 30 to 50% profit margins. High demand. Low competition. Real profits. Growing market demand. Increasing global and domestic demand for chocolate, cosmetics, and health products. Export opportunities. Processed cocoa products have strong export potential, especially to Europe, the US, and Asia. Job creation. Supports local employment in farming, processing, packaging, and logistics. Reduced wastage. Adds value to raw cocoa beans, reducing post-harvest loss, and improving farmer income. Diversified applications. Cocoa products are used in multiple industries like food, cosmetics, and beverages. Top 5 mistakes cocoa startups make that you can avoid to earn huge profits. 1. Buying low-quality beans. Poor beans is equal to poor products. Always source from trusted suppliers to maintain quality. 2. Choosing the wrong machinery. Cheap or outdated machines lead to breakdowns. Invest in reliable equipment and Maintenance. 3. Skipping market research. Don't guess, know what products, like butter or powder, are in demand and who your buyers are. 4. Weak branding and packaging. Your product may be great, but bad packaging kills sales. Build a strong brand and visual identity. 5. Ignoring government support. Many miss out on subsidies and grants. Use schemes like PMKSY to reduce costs and grow faster. Success in cocoa processing isn't a one-time effort. Keep refining your process, listening to customer feedback, and staying updated with industry trends. Avoid these pitfalls, stay proactive, and you'll turn cocoa into a profitable venture. Profit expected and government support in the cocoa processing unit. Cocoa butter, 30 to 50% profit margin. Cocoa powder, 25 to 40% profit margin. Cocoa couverture, 10 to 20% profit margin. Expected monthly gross profit is 10 to 15 lakhs rupees per month after accounting for production, labor, and operating costs. Break-even period is normally 15 to 18 months in a cocoa processing unit. Government support. The Indian government supports cocoa processing units through various schemes under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, (MoFPI), offering capital subsidies, technology upgradation assistance, tax benefits and interest subsidies. How can we help you? Are you ready to build the future? Let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ years of experience. At Niir Project Consultancy Services, we provide our services for the preparation of market surveys cum detailed techno-economic feasibility reports for setting up new industries or businesses. Our report includes manufacturing processes, market research, flow sheet diagrams, product mixes, machinery details, raw material details, and complete project financials to assess project feasibility, along with a wealth of other information. For more details, please contact the number or email given in the description box. Cocoa is not just chocolate, it's a business waiting to happen. Want to turn cocoa into cash? Like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. We'll guide you every step of the way. See you in the next one.